Welcome back. Crime branch has failed to trace and nab accused directors of Bharat Builders in Kankona Ruby Residency building collapse case. But now crime branch has summoned daughter of one of the builders, Jagdeep Sehgal, for questioning. Jagdeep's daughter was one of the signatories of their Mumbai office, which has been sold after the building collapse. Meanwhile, High Court has rejected anticipatory bail petition of Ajay Naik Desai.
Facing the brunt from court for failing to trace and nab accused directors of Bharat Builders Pradeep Singh Beering and Jagdeep Sehgal, Crime Branch has started arm twisting close associates of builders. Crime Branch has summoned Prerna Sehgal, the daughter of Jagdeep Sehgal, to appear on Thursday for questioning. Prerna Sehgal is summoned as she was one of the signatories of Bharat Builders office situated at Vashi in Navi Mumbai. The office was soon sold after the Ruby Residency building collapse incident. Crime Branch officials had raided office in search of absconding builders. The sale is also in question as Crime Branch will initiate to attach their property after permitted period of days post lookout notice. Crime Branch has also summoned the buyer of that office, Kamlesh Kumre, for questioning. Meanwhile, High Court has rejected anticipatory bail petition of Ajay Naik Desai. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
A portion of retaining wall of new terminal at Daboli collapsed on Wednesday. Local MLA of Vasco, Carlos Almeida, alleged scam in construction by the airport authority. People said the airport is built in haste and without proper inspection. The alleged material used for construction of wall is substandard.
This is a fatal spot. Azun they could trial that and behind me, as you can see, that the wall behind, this should be a concrete wall. I think this is a big scam there in the Airport Authority of India.
People claim that the wall was built without proper permissions and by demolishing a small hillock.
फास्ट काम केले ते सिमेंट सारखे भरून त्यांच्याने ते मध्ये पेवर्स गेले तिका इटी नाही काय ना तर फर्स्ट अँड फॉरमोस्ट म्हटलं आम्ही कोणा हांगा परमिशन काय दिवंक ना हे बांद म्हणून आणि आता जेन्ना मोडले तेन्ना आमकां कळयला की हांगा येवन हे कर आतां मेजर केला आणि आता फुडें सरपंच स्टॉप वर्क नोटीस काडटली आणि मागीर तांकां कितें आसा ते पेपर बीन हाडून दाखय.
However, General Manager of Airport M.N. Rao said only a portion of the retaining wall had collapsed.
JCB was working there so as to spread the soil. So while spreading the soil, the bucket of the JCB, which is a metallic one, it has gone and hit the wall by mistake. So because of that, a small portion of the wall has fallen down and it would be made up very soon.
Earlier, Prudent had highlighted worries of W residents. They had alleged that the compound wall was built without a strong foundation. Moreover, the exit of the new terminal joins directly to a national highway. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Vasco Sports Club will organize India's first timed beach half marathon competition on Sunday. The route of the half marathon for 21 kilometers will start from Kolwa beach and proceed to Welsound all along various beaches on the way and culminate at Kolwa. Events will also be held in 10 and 5 kilometers categories.
The Vasco Sports Club is going to organize a beach marathon. It's called the Nautica Beach Marathon. It's India's first timed marathon. Usually people on the beach are accustomed to running on the beach just for fun as a part of training, but we have organized this beach running event where we are going to use timing chips like an international marathon. It's scheduled on the 23rd of this month at Kolwa. We're going to have 3 categories for the run: the 21 kilometer, which is the half marathon, the 10 kilometer, which is again a competitive run, and the 5 kilometer, which is going to be a fun walk. These runs will be flagged off at about 6 o'clock. That's the half marathon. 6:45 is going to be the 10K, and 8 o'clock we are flagging off the 5K. We have tied up with TERI, Tata Energy and Research Institute, where we are trying to promote and spread the awareness of keeping the beaches clean.
This is the Nautica Goa Beach Run, and people have been registering directly online. We have also kept forms at all the Carasid outlets in Goa and at the Borkar superstores in Madgaon, and also the Vasco Sports Club clubhouse, which is next to the Tilak Maidan, also in Vasco. So we have facilitated easy registration processes. We have got a lot of prizes amounting to more than 3,30,000 rupees.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.